Hey guys, welcome to RandomFandom. Today I just got my new package from you know where. So let's go ahead and open this up. It did not come in this bag, so don't worry, I don't have data redacted. There you go. Of course, just like any package that comes from you know where, it comes in this flimsy plastic bag that you can open up with a knife. So there you go. This package apart. It's inside this bag, and of course we have our hand sanitizer here. This, yeah, you definitely should just use that. And there you go. And now we have the case for our Stream Deck. Since I got a Stream Deck for Christmas, here it is. It should fit inside of this protective case to keep it from getting all beat up when I travel places or whatever. So there you go. And of course, we should always just spray this down with hand sanitizer too. Yeah. How about some more hand sanitizer on the inside? This, you just can't be safe enough. So there you go. I coated my little case in hand sanitizer, and maybe I just let it dry now. Of course, if you didn't catch the intro, that song is actually from Resident Evil. I made an intro special just for this video. Anyways, that's how it fits inside of this case. As you can see, it fits in there entirely without any issues, slides in and out freely. Not a whole lot of extra space to spare, so that is good for this device. Of course, this case was less than $5 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put links to it below in the description if I can find it. But yeah, as for the way it closes, it just uses this bungee cord, and they didn't sew the bungee cord onto the case, so that's actually good. It's just got a little metal rivet here, and the bungee cord has been tied on a knot so that it won't pull off or then out from one way. But if the bungee cord does get stretched out and weak, you can easily replace it, so that's good. Just to close it, it just closes by wrapping the bungee cord right around the case. The bungee cord is actually pretty strong too, so it doesn't feel like a low quality product. But yeah, this should be a good case for things like your phone, maybe even a graphics tablet. I do have my graphics tablet right here. It's my Huion tablet, and actually this case actually won't fit it, so actually I should probably use a different case for this. Or actually, if you want, you can actually fold the lid over just part way and it will fit inside here. So yeah, if I wanted, I could put it inside here. So there we have it. That'll be it for this video. This is just a little unboxing of this case. I do have several more things to show off and some more unboxing videos. I'll probably have another one of those tech under $10 videos coming out soon, so yeah. Soon, as in maybe like within a few months. This my upload schedule is pretty much broken because of, you know, quarantine, that sort of thing. We don't go out to church on Sundays because there's no church, so we don't go to Walmart, so I don't upload videos so often. Because if I go to Walmart, they have better internet than what I have at home, so it takes me a lot less time to upload a video if I just upload it at Walmart. So that's typically where I've been uploading my videos, is by going to Walmart, but now we don't go there as much because, like I said, quarantine. So now I have a case for my Stream Deck. I just need to get some more cases for some other things like my external drive, and that will probably be for some other video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.